Awake, number 1, 2020. Find relief from stress. Are you stressed?
Everyone has stress to some degree, yet I am overwhelmed with stress. It is not from just one big problem, but from many situations, from struggles, and from seemingly unending years of caring for my physically and mentally ill husband. Jill.
The footnote reads, names have been changed. End of footnote.
My wife left me, and I had to raise 2 children on my own. It was hard being a single parent. On top of that, I lost my job, and I couldn't afford to get my vehicle inspected for registration. I had no idea how to handle things. The stress was overwhelming. I knew deep down that it was wrong to kill myself, so I begged God to end my misery. Barry.
Like Jill and Barry, do you sometimes feel overwhelmed with stress? If so, may the following articles comfort and help you. They examine common causes of stress, how stress can affect us, and how we can get at least a measure of stress relief. End of article.